Hey, assalamualaikum guys, welcome back with another video. So in this we're going to understand measurement of speed of wind. Acha, then the measurement of wind. An anemometer shown in the figure 1.15 is an instrument that is used to measure the speed of wind. The cups catches, cups, they're in the way in the shape of cups, so they catch the wind and rotate on their spindle. It's a spindle. Spindle means on which they are rotating. Okay, so that's called spindle. Acha. Now the spindle is connected to a meter that indicates the speed of the wind. In the absence of the anemometer, there's a possible estimate the speed of the wind by using a Beaufort scale shown in figure 1.16. Acha, where is 1.16? So this is the Beaufort scale, all right? This is the Beaufort scale, all right? Acha. Then it's saying that Sir Francis Beaufort in 1774 till 1857 was an officer in the English Navy. He worked out in the scale of 1805 in 1805 for the ships with sails and for example sailing ships. How old was he when he did this? How old was he? Okay, they're asking that question, that how old was he when he did this? Okay, yeah, probably he was a young guy. Yeah, because see, he died in 1857 and it was like it was like 1805, right? Okay, so acha, now what is this? See, यहाँ पे तो आप समझ गए होंगे कि anemometer, what is an anemometer? This is something that which is used to measure the speed and what is the speed of the wind. Okay, it's a dial which records the wind speed. This is the dial which records the wind speed. This is digitally. This is like done digitally over here. Otherwise, this must be connected with some kind of wires, and on a digital meter, it must be showing the speed and everything, right? Acha, then this is something that Mr. Sir Francis Beaufort had created. ये मतलब उन्होंने एस्टिमेशन लगा के इनकी पूरी एक परमानेंट चार्ट बना दिया होगा ना. फॉर एग्जांपल they said that from scale to 0 to 12 means the highest wind pressure and 0 means the kind of low zero air pressure. Wind speed in kilometers per hour, less than 1 kilometer per hour, 1 से 5 kilometer per hour, 6 to 11 kilometer per hour. Usually we drive. अच्छा, इसकी मैं एक अच्छी आपको एग्जांपल देता हूँ. Okay, when you drive car, right? When your dad or your mom, when they're driving the car on the road or on a highway. So just take an example from that. Whenever you take your hand out of the window, don't take your hand out of the window. It's not so, good. It's dangerous, of course. But just to give you an example, when they're driving on the bypass, usually, on a highway at 100 kilometers per hour. So just, take your hand out of the window and see how much air is hitting your hand. So exactly that same phenomena is being used over here. So at the speed, so this is the speed of the wind, that भाई इतनी speed से wind travel कर रही है, right? And this is a lot of speed, right? और उन्होंने कहा है, उन्होंने फिर इसको names दे दिए हैं कि भाई 0 पे अगर less than 1 kilometer per hour की speed से wind travel कर रही है तो उसको calm कहेंगे. 1 to 5 उसको light air कहेंगे, light breeze कहेंगे. 6 to 11, then 12 to 19 उसको हम gentle breeze कहेंगे. And then moderate breeze kahenge from 20 to 29. And likewise, the names keep on changing. It's getting higher and the wind speed is getting higher as well. And not only that, he had also given explanation effects of the wind. Kiska effect kya hoga? Smoke rises vertically. Acha, for example, smoke की बात करते हैं. Like, when you burn something, उसका smoke सीधा ही जाएगा. लेकिन आप देखते हैं जहाँ पे कोई हवा चल रही होती है, when there's some kind of wind or a breeze blowing, so smoke, it's kind of like distorted in a way. It's like, being disturbed. So it's a really good example. The smoke rises vertically, like उसमें कोई disturbance नहीं आएगी. The direction shown by the smoke, but not by the wind. अच्छा, wind van. So ऐसे स्पीड में wind van इतना नहीं हिलेगा, ठीक है ना. 1 to 1.5 kilometers इसमें wind van इतना नहीं move होगा, लेकिन smoke से direction पता चलेगा. Smoke is lighter, of course. वो wind van पे भाई अब वो लोहे का बना हुआ होता है, it has spindle and everything, blah blah blah. अच्छा, फिर उसके बाद क्या है? The wind felt on the face, leaves move wind when moves from 6 to 11 kilometers. अच्छा, आप 6 से 11 किलोमीटर तक आपका विंड वैन भी मूव करेगा, पत्ते भी आपको हिलते हुए नजर आएंगे. जब कभी कभी हम कहते हैं ना कि अरे यार इतनी गर्मी है, इतनी हवा ही नहीं चल रही, पत्ता ही नहीं हिल रहा पेड़ का. सो दैट समवेयर 1 to 5 kilometers. लेकिन वो फिर भी हवा उस टाइम होती है. सो educate yourself, guys. Literally educate yourself, because you see, when I'm teaching you these things, I'm also learning a lot of things, right? Then you have fresh gale, strong gale, whole gale, और फिर उसमें कह रहे हैं कि वाइड स्प्रेड डैमेज होता है भाई जब हाई स्पीड होती है. हरिकेन जब आता है, the last is hurricane, and hurricane क्या करता है? Wide spread destruction in tropical regions and only, all right? Then we have a picture given here as well. See, it's saying over here that think about, acha ye exercise hai, this is an exercise, okay? Please do this exercise and drop your answers down in the comment section, please. Now it's saying over here that think about it, think about it, picture analysis. What does the photo in figure 1.7 shows? अब ये देखो, ये एक photo है, तो आप मुझे बताओ कि ये photo आपको क्या बता रही है? What does it, what this picture is showing you? This seems like a tropical forest, rainforest or something like that. And see, it's saying that, now it's saying, the question is that, look at the Beaufort scale, इस scale को आप देखें, and इस scale को देख के आप बताएं कि how would you describe the wind that had been blowing before the photo was taken. अच्छा, फोटो तो तब ली गई है ना जब भाई तबाही आ चुकी है. अब आप ये बताएं कि इसमें से आप नोट करके बताएं कि क्या स्पीड थी विंड की, किस स्केल में था, क्या नाम था, क्या डिस्क्रिप्शन थी, इसमें से कौन सा इस पे लग रहा है कि भाई इतने किस्म की तबाही आई है, तो इसमें से आपको क्या लग रहा है. सो व्हाट एक्चुअली हैड हैपेंड, कितने किलोमीटर्स पर आवर की स्पीड विंड ब्लो कर रही थी. इट्स अ वेरी स्मॉल एक्सरसाइज, इट्स इंटरेस्टिंग एक्सरसाइज. सो या प्लीज़ let me just put it here. You can take a screenshot from here as well. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and yes, if you like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, like it, and put down a comment as well. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.